you, indirectly or directly, had shaped our lives.
Woke up to the sounds of birds singing. Their songs are ringing in my ears. Through the years, you make a lovely day. We're still in bed, the smell of fresh coffee hits my head, and I'm in heaven. It's Sunday and it's almost 11. You make a lovely day. You know you make the flowers bloom. Everything's rosy when I'm with you. It's true. No matter what you do, your smile, it makes the sun shine bright. Life just radiates day and night. What can I say? You make a lovely day. Lovely day, oh yeah. Lovely day. You make a lovely day. You know you make the sunsets orange. I never noticed them before. And you make the man in the moon smile too. I think you sprinkled the sky with stars, 'cause every night sparkles where you are. What can I say? You make a lovely day.